What's up, you guys? It's Jbunny and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a juice that I have become absolutely obsessed with. It's been my go-to breakfast, snack, lunch, refreshment juice option, and it's only 2 ingredients. I'm using my Nama, so if you guys have a Nama or even if you have another juicer and you're interested in seeing this simple, easy, and super duper tasty juicing recipe, keep watching. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know every single time I post a brand new video. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for coming back for yet another video. Okay, you guys, let's jump right into it. Today I'll be using my lovely Nama juicer to make my juicing recipe. It is absolutely my favorite juicer. If you have one, you know all about the hype. I have a couple other Nama juicer videos. Check those out when you're done. I'll drop the links in the description below. But yeah, you guys, I absolutely love it. So if you're new to the Nama and you want to check it out, this is the perfect video to see how it actually works. I won't be covering up any of the noise or anything like that with music. So you'll actually get to hear how the Nama sounds, which is super quiet. And yeah, you guys, let me share with you this perfect 2 ingredient, super simple recipe. I absolutely love this juice because honestly, it reminds me of a green Sour Patch Kid. And I know what you're thinking, like, how does an all natural juice remind you of a totally artificial candy? But like, honestly, it is the perfect mix of sweet and sour, and it's refreshing and it's crisp, and I just absolutely love it. I love Sour Patch Kids and I love this juice recipe. So yeah, if that's like a flavor profile that turns you on, totally you are going to love this juice. And in today's juice, I'm using 2 ingredients. I'm going to be using this lovely organic celery that I picked up at the grocery store today, and I'm also going to be using a yummy green apple. Okay guys, so let's get started. I already assembled my Namawell juicer. If you're not sure how to assemble your Namawell and that's the first time you're using it, check out my how to assemble Namawell and make fresh OJ video. I'll go ahead and link that down below. And yeah, it's super easy and super simple. So to get started, let me go ahead and give my celery a little rinse. I'm gonna be using about 3/4 or 2/3 of my celery bunch in today's recipe. It's going to be a recipe for 1 juice for 1 person. This is the amount of juice that I enjoy. So yeah, let me head over to my sink and give this a wash because we all know how dirty and covered in just soil organic celery can be. And then I'll be right back. All right, you guys, that's nice and clean. And next things next, I have my green apple. I already washed this over in the sink, so the skin is actually already nice and prepped and ready for us. So yeah, this is how simple this juice is. Let's get started on the fun part, which is the juicing. So for the celery, I'm using organic celery, and I am gonna chop off the little ends just because, I don't know, I don't really like those extra little parts. Sometimes they have dirt really in the grooves. And then I am gonna chop off a very little bit of the top because saving as much as I can of these leaves, but any part that looks a little brown from being in the grocery store, I am going to chop off. Next things next, we're going to prep this delicious, juicy green apples. I have just been obsessed with these Granny Smith apples lately from the grocery store. Like, oh my God, they just have the best flavor. They are so big and juicy and crisp and like, I don't know, I'm just loving them. I'm getting as much apple as I can. And for this recipe, I'll of course be leaving the skin on from the apple. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to cut my apple up into more manageable size slices for the juicer. This juice is just so perfect for the morning, especially because it's so quick and easy to make, and it just has all of those essential ingredients that you want. Okay, you guys, that's it for all the prep. Boom, we're ready for this juice. So I have my discard container over here for the pulp, and I do have my juice ready to go over here, the juice receptacle for the juice. I'm going to take the pusher out and flip my Namawell on, and let's get juicing. I'm going to start with the celery because I find that the apple cleans the celery out of the juicer at the end, so I like to do the celery first. Let me open up the juice. Ooh, love it. Alright you guys, now it's time for the green apple. I feel like I can already taste it. What's going on in that juicer? One more little piece. Okay, you guys, and the last thing I like to do is, even though it seems like the juicer is like done juicing, I like to leave it on for an extra 30 seconds to really have it mull through anything that's inside the juicer and get any last bit of juice, extract all that juice from the fruit. I close my little juice spout so I can see the juice like welling up inside, and then when I feel like it really got that last little bit of juice out, I turn the juicer off and let it out. So yeah. Last little bit of juice. The pulp seriously comes out so freaking dry. It's such a great juicer. Okay, you guys, so I have my cup right here. And I love this little top that the Nama comes with for your pitcher, because you can kind of like put your juice to the side while you clean the juicer and just have it all nice and put away. So it's just a nice little extra feature. But yeah, you guys, look at this juice. So I have my cup right here. Ooh. And you see that one apple and the 3/4 of the celery stalk bunch really makes the perfect cup of juice. Let's give it a try. The 2-ingredient green Sour Patch Kid all natural juice. Yum, yum, yum. Pure health, pure deliciousness in a glass. And cheers, you guys. I hope you're also enjoying a nice fresh juice along with me, or you're thinking about enjoying a juice, whichever it is. Thanks so much for joining me on today's video. I'm gonna keep enjoying this juice. I'm gonna wash my juicer right away just so it doesn't get any film stuck on it. And yeah, you guys, cheers to green juice. Cheers to enjoying fruit and veggies in just the best way. I love enjoying all of my fruits and veggies in the juicer. And yeah, you guys, I hope to see you back on my next video. Please throw a thumbs up on this video and comment down below if you enjoyed the recipe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.